Hi, my name is Joey Jackson, and I'm here at Joey Jackson Law with a group of fantastic attorneys, paralegals, support staff, defending the rights of correction officers every day and twice on Sunday. I want to come to you to report an issue relating to medical separation. As of late, there have been a number of cases that have been put on the oath calendar. Oath, of course, the Office of Administrative Trials and Hearings. That is the disciplinary wing where officers are being disciplined. And that disciplinary calendar lately has an abundance of cases that deal with medical separation. That's my purpose in addressing you today. I get and understand that your jobs are very difficult. And as a result of that, you get injured on the job. Why? Because of any variety of things that happen. Maybe it's because you were breaking up an inmate upon inmate fight and you got significantly injured. Maybe you were protecting your brother or a sister officer or an inmate, and because of that, you got assaulted. Whatever it is, you're out for an extended period of time, and lo and behold, you're disciplined for that. Whether we believe that to be fair or unfair, that is our reality. And that's a reality that we're engaging in at this firm in protecting you from discipline. Why? Because the law says that you can be disciplined. Now, let me make something clear. There are two sections of law that I want to address that affect you, and they affect your family, and they affect the support that you give your family. Under Section 71 of the New York State Civil Service Law, you indeed can be disciplined in the event you suffer an occupational ailment, right? It happens in the scope of your employment, and you can't get back to work within 1 year. In the event you can't get back to work and get better within 1 year, the Department of Corrections can discipline you from that, and they could separate you from employment, and they are. In the event, for example, under Section 73 of the New York State Civil Service Law, you find yourself having a non-occupational, nothing that happened in the scope of your employment, you're just sick. Whether it's a car accident, whether you have an ailment or a malady, hypertension, cancer, whatever it is, you can still be disciplined. Now, we can talk all day and all night about whether that's fair, but at the end of the day, that's what the law says. So then the question becomes, what do we do about it? Well, what we do about it is we need to protect you. We need to ensure that you're disciplined for the appropriate reasons. We need to ensure that anything and everything that we can otherwise demonstrate to show, right, that your sickness is valid, that your sickness is as a result of being in or out of your control, that we make that argument on your behalf. At the end of the day, though, the law states what it states. And that is, if you were injured on the job and you can't get back within a year, you could be removed. Whether you're injured and it wasn't on the job and you can't get back within a year, you can be removed. Now, guess what? In the event that you're better within a year thereafter, you can petition for reinstatement and otherwise get your job. But there's something that's critically important that I need you to work with us on. What happens is that we are, the staff here of fantastic lawyers, working with disability lawyers to protect your rights. How? Well, they'll protect your rights in as much as maybe it could be that you can apply for an early pension. Maybe you can get 3/4. Maybe there's some other type of disability that you might qualify for so that you and your family can be protected and preserved. So as part of the defense that we engage in to protect you, right, through no fault of your own, people get sick. We're not robots. And as a result of that, bodies break down. Things happen. We get it. Unfortunately, the law doesn't get it because as it relates to that law, you can be disciplined for instances beyond your control. But what we will do is ensure that when we go to oath, again, the Office of Administrative Trials and Hearings, for any pretrial conference, that we set you up with a disability attorney who could assess the nature of your condition, how it happened, when it happened, why it happened, the extent to which it really is impairing you, and any right or remedy that we can otherwise avail you of, expose you to, that you can qualify for, we're going to make sure you get it. And so I just want to bring this to your attention because we are seeing as of late an outright abundance of these cases that are put on the calendar, and I need to reach out to you, to ask you to reach out to us so that in our participation, in our preparation, in our discussions, in preparing for your defense, in preparing for your family's defense, we could ensure that every benefit that is out there that will otherwise help you, we make sure you get. It's a pleasure to represent you, it's a pleasure to serve you, and it's a pleasure to otherwise work with you as you do the dangerous jobs that you do. God bless you.